Hello my dear students, now we are going to continue our Unit 7 Lesson 4. Let's go shopping, busy bee, learn phonics. Here we have I are and you are. You can listen to the words that I'm saying. The first word, scared, scared. The second word, shared, shared. Then we have t-shirt, t-shirt. Then we have hair, hair. So, scare, air, share, air, t-shirt, air, and hair, air. So, IR, we pronounce IR as air, air, air. Scared, shared, t-shirt, hair. So it's air. Here we have you are. Fair. It's the same. Fur. Curls. Nurse. Nurse. So it's also. So we pronounce IR and you are the same. Fur. Curls. Nurse. The second slide, exercise number 1, listen, point and say. Here the first picture is scared, scared. The second picture is fur, fur, fur. And the fur is the soft hair of the rabbit or the cat. The fur is the very soft hair of the rabbit or the cat that we rub it. Okay. The second slide, number 2, exercise number 2, underline IR and you are. Say the word curls, curls. Here, under you are, underline you are, curls. Then we have shared, IR, underline IR, shirt, shirt. The second slide, that we have exercise number 3, write and say. Write and say. We have pictures and you are going to choose the right word for each picture from the box that is the blue box that's on your page. In the box we can see skirts, fur, t-shirt, curls. Number 1, he is wearing a t-shirt, t-shirt, right, t-shirt. Number 2, the cat has black, black what? The hair of the cat, fur, fur, F-U-R. Number 3, they are wearing what? Skirts. The skirt is only for girls, there is no boy wearing skirt. So they are wearing skirts. Number 4, look at his what? Curls. Look at his curls. Connect with industry. Industry means what? Industry means to make goods from different materials such as cotton and wheat. Okay. What does it mean? Industry means that you take something, take a plant, any kind of plant or anything of material, and you turn it to something else. Like what? Like when I take the wood from the tree and shape it to be a table, to make a table from it. This is industry, to change something in the nature that I can find around me in the environment. I take it as it is and I work on it to make it something, to make it another thing that I can use. Exercise number 1 in your student's book we can see listen and complete, listen and complete. Now, in the first picture we can see how can we make a t-shirt, the t-shirt that you are wearing at home or that you are wearing when you get out at the summertime. This t-shirt is made from what? Can we find this t-shirt like this in the nature or around us? No, we make it. How can we make this t-shirt? From what are we going to make this t-shirt? Number one, we are going to plant cotton. The cotton is a kind of plant. The farmer plants this cotton, and then the farmer, when the cotton grow up, he collects the cotton. He collects this cotton. He gives this cotton to factories, and the factories turn this cotton into fabric. Can you see? The fabric, a piece of cloth, the fabric. And then we take this fabric and cut it in the shape of a t-shirt. Again, we plant cotton, the farmer plants cotton, and he collects the cotton, give it to the factory, and the factory turn this cotton into a kind of fabric, make it into yarns, and these yarns together make a fabric, a big fabric. And then we cut this fabric in the shape of a t-shirt. We sew it, and then we wear it. So, a t-shirt is made of fabric. The fabric, the big piece of cloth. This is called fabric. But the fabric is made from what? We make this fabric from what? From cotton. So, you are going to write cotton from, and there is a space, write cotton. Number two, here. The bread. From what can we make a piece of bread? From what? From the wheat. Do you remember the story of the first term, which is called the little red hen? When she wanted to make a cake, she planted the wheat, and then she cut the wheat, and then she take the wheat and make it into flour, and then she make the cake. Here, bread is made from flour. Can you see the flour? We take this flour, this white powder of the flour that mommy and daddy at home sometimes use it to make cake, to make bread, to make pancakes, to make anything. This is the flour. But from where can we get flour? From the wheat, and we plant the wheat. We plant the wheat. So we collect the wheat, we make the flour from the wheat, and we take the flour with eggs and milk and lots of other things, and we make bread. So a bread is made from flour, and the flour is made from what? From wheat. From wheat. Wider world. Here. In exercise number 1, look, listen and read. We can find pictures of different jobs. They are different people who are working in different jobs. And each of them has a uniform for his job. Like in the school, we are all wearing a uniform. We are wearing a special kind of clothes that shows us that we are belonging to this school. So they have a uniform, it tells us they are belonging to this kind of job or work. Like number 1, we have a firefighter. Faris is a firefighter. Faris is a firefighter. He is wearing black jacket and black pants. And we said that the pants means trousers. This is a pant. These are pants. The pants are plural. The pants are plural. So these are pants. Okay? He's wearing black jacket and black pants. He is wearing a yellow hat. So this is the uniform of a firefighter. Dina is a chef. Chef means she's cooking food. Dina is a chef. She is wearing white jacket and white hat. She's wearing the blue and white checked pants, and we say the checked, it means it has very small squares checked. It's blue and white pants, blue and white checked pants, and she's wearing a black apron. Can you see? This is called apron. Black, she's wearing a black Apron. Apron. This apron, she's wearing it not in order not to make her clothes dirty while she's cooking. Number 3, Tamer is a doctor. He is wearing a blue shirt with buttons, blue shirt, and white coat. And we said before that the coat is longer than a jacket. The coat is longer than the jacket. Number 4, Reem is a journalist, and the journalist is the one who writes the news in the newspaper, or the one who's telling us the news on the TV. Reem is a journalist, and she's wearing black pants and a black jacket. Okay, the next slide. Number 2, look again and answer. Is Faris wearing a dark jacket? Dark means black. Yes, he is. Number 2, is Faris wearing a blue hat? Look at Faris. He's the firefighter. Is he wearing a blue hat? No, he isn't. Is not, because there is no. No, he is not or isn't. Number 3, is Dina wearing a checked hat? Dina, the chef, is she wearing a checked hat? No, she isn't. She's wearing a white hat and checked pants. So no, she isn't. Number 4, is Reem wearing a black skirt? Reem wearing a black skirt? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. What is the color of Reem's jacket? Reem, the journalist, she's wearing what? Black jacket, so it's black. It's black. Number 6, what is Tamer wearing? Tamer, the doctor. He's wearing what? Can you tell me? He's wearing, yes, a blue shirt and a white coat. Blue shirt and a white coat. Thank you for listening to me. I hope that you enjoyed this unit. See you next unit.